Hi guys, in this class we will be learning how to set up LinkedIn company page. So that first, look here you can see a button work. Press on it and moves to the last option, create a company page. Press it. Then select the size according to your preference. Whether it is a small business or a medium to large business or whether a showcase page or an educational institution. You have to select. This is decided based on the number of employees in your company. If your business consists of 200 or below 200 employees, it is considered as a small business. And if it is above 200, it is considered as medium to large business. Similarly, showcase page means, we should have a main page. A page that comes up to this page is said to be a showcase page. For example, Facebook. Facebook is a huge company. Instagram is its sub, right? So it is similar to this, the showcase pages work. Working of the showcase page is similar to this. All should have a main page. Another page should be there as its sub. Then educational institutions. It is for schools, universities, etc. So for example, I'm selecting small business option. We have to give a name for the company. For that, I'm using the name of the company. For example, I'm giving the name as Setup Demo. Here, you have to copy paste the URL of your company. So here also, I'm giving Setup Demo. Next, you should select the company details. That is, select the type of company. So, I'm just selecting one as an example. Then, company size. As we have selected small business option earlier, 200 or below 200 business will be shown here. 200 or below, only 200 or below 200 business will be visible to us here. And here I have selected 11 to 15 employees. Then our company type is whether it is public company or self-employed or government agencies, non-profit organizations, sole proprietorship company or a privately held company or a partnership firm. You have to select the required one from this options. Here I have selected one just for an example. If you have any descriptions or company logos or anything like that, it can be added here. After filling all these, here you can see an option, verify that I am an authorized representative of this organization. You should check in this option in which you agree that you are the authorized representative of this company. And press on the button, create a page.
Avodha promises you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land the job. Register now.